8 types of managed IT services, enhancing business efficiency and security. Businesses strive to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Managed IT services offer solutions tailored to these needs. Managed IT services involve outsourcing IT functions to third-party providers. This enhances technological infrastructure and streamlines operations. Managed IT services cover a broad spectrum of solutions. Each service addresses specific technology needs. Number 1. Managed networking and infrastructure management. This involves monitoring servers, routers, and switches. It ensures optimal performance and uptime through proactive maintenance. Number 2. Security information and event management, or SIEM. SIEM services protect sensitive data and systems. They combine real-time monitoring with advanced analytics to detect threats. Number 3. Cloud computing and data storage. Managed cloud services include hosting and migration. They offer scalable resources without extensive on-premises hardware. Number 4. Managed communications. These services cover VoIP systems and email hosting. They streamline communication and reduce infrastructure costs. Number 5. Mobile device management. This service secures and controls employee devices. It includes configuring devices and enforcing security policies. Number 6. Software as a service, or SaaS management. Managed IT services ensure SaaS applications are properly configured. This maximizes software investments and eliminates downtime. Number 7. Data analytics and business intelligence. These services provide actionable insights from data. They inform strategic decisions and enhance customer experiences. Number 8. Support services. Managed IT support offers 24/7 assistance. It resolves technical issues and minimizes downtime. Outsourcing IT functions offers cost savings and efficiency. Integrated technologies provides tailored solutions to support your business goals. Call us to request a consultation.